Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine, and today what we're going to be doing is not unboxing, but what we're going to be doing is going over what is Trendmood if you already missed out and you don't want to miss out. So there's some new information to know exactly what you need to know, so you're able to purchase this box if you're interested in volume 3. Volume 3, we already have some sneak peeks going on. Hopefully by the time I finish editing, the theme for volume 3 is all about Valentine's and about petals and flowers and candles. It's very romantic. I love it that volume 2 was coffee. I love coffee. And volume 1 was the fortune cookies. So I'm going to show you exactly what so far we have, what are the products expected in the box, and also hopefully I have the price for volume 3. What you need to do to sign up, there's new information like I mentioned, and also note that this is free shipping. So let's just get started with the sneak peeks for volume 3 for Trendmood Box. Trendmood Box, I'm gonna talk about it real quickly. Trendmood Box is not a subscription, so if you purchase volume 1 or volume 2, that does not guarantee that automatically that payment is going to go to your account. This is something that is done every month, and every month is a new launch showing us new products that are about to be released in the market, or products that are just barely released, and you're going to be able to get a hands-on with a very affordable, reasonable price. Some of these products could be indie brands, high-end brands, or drugstore brands. Is going to be all included in the box, and the price does vary. The shipping is free, and it's only shipping so far to the US. Like I mentioned, this is not a subscription, so what you would need to do is sign up. There's going to be a link provided below that's going to take you to their website, and all you have to do is put your email. Once you put your email, it's going to notify you once the new launch is about to be released, which in this case is going to be volume 3. They usually give us like maybe 20 to 40 minutes for us to receive that email. So once we get that email, especially it's like early access, you get a code, a promo code or a passcode, and that passcode you go to the website once the launch is available, and usually they will tell you the date. They will say this date is the launch, and it's going to be launched at this o'clock, at 10 in the morning. So at 10 in the morning, just be on the lookout for that email. Once you receive that email, it's going to give you a passcode. You click that link and you enter that passcode, and you have early access to purchase the box. In this case, it has changed a little bit. You're still going to have early access, but they didn't mention the early access. It's not going to be 20 to 40 minutes in a gap period, but the early access is going to be hours away. So they're going to have a limit just for early access. Once they reach the early access purchase or boxes set aside for early access, then what they're going to do is they're going to open the window for anybody to go ahead and purchase that. So how you get early access, all you have to do is just sign up with the link. Just put your email and wait for you to get that passcode on the date that they assign that volume is going to be released. Hopefully that's easy for you guys to follow. It does seem more complicated, but once you do get it, it's just follow the link and the email, and all you have to do now is just register so you can get that email. You're just letting them know I want to receive the email. The bad thing is that the first time I missed volume 1 because my email went to the spam. So you have to make sure that if you have signed up since the beginning, go ahead and look for the spam and let your email know that that's not a spam, that you do want to receive the email. So once that comes available, you don't miss out on that opportunity. The good thing that is that in this case, they're giving you a gap of a few hours to go ahead and purchase for those boxes that they have set aside just for early access. So now let's get started with the spoilers for the ones that are going to be for volume 3. So far we only have a few of those. They're still putting the information, but I wanted to get started with the video so then I could release that information as soon as possible, so that way you have a time to know exactly what's out there and decide if this is a box that you want to purchase for this month. So let's get started with the sneak peeks. The first product we have just launched recently. You'll see that it launched in January 28th. This is from Glow Recipe. They're adding a new product to the line. This is a watermelon glow lip pop, and this will help. It's 3-in-1. It's going to scrub to balm. It's going to help hydrate your lips, and it has watermelon extract. It has coconut flour sugar to hydrate, and it also has coconut oil to moisturize. It's also derived from flour derived that has AHA. This one retails for $22, and like I mentioned, this was just a recent launch. The second product that we have, this is another way, this is a fun way to reveal the brand that is going to be coming in the box. And as you see, the next one is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This brand, this is actually primers, and you see there's three different ones. There's poreless, there's matte, and there's luminous primer. These primers, each of them cost $8, but in the box you're going to be able to get the set of 3. So in the box, expect all 3 of the primers from e.l.f. Cosmetics to be there. It's going to be the poreless to help hydrate your skin. The luminous is infused with hyaluronic acid, and the matte, it has kaolin clay and white charcoal inside. The next reveal, sneak peek, the brand reveal is from Good Molecules, and this is an interesting product. This product, it has 1% caffeine to help instantly create a firmer eye area, and it's designed to have results in about 10 minutes. It is a great pick-me-up for the morning while prepping skin for makeup. What this is, these are patches. This is called depuff the skin around the eye using these products, and this has aloe and hyaluronic acid to instantly hydrate and soothe tired skin, resulting in more refreshed eyes. This one has 60 patches or 30 pairs, and they retail for about $18. The next reveal, which I'm excited about, so this one is actually a makeup product, and this is also another set. This is from, as you see, is Juvia's Place. And in the box, we're going to be getting 2 different palettes. We're going to have the berry palette and the violet palette. These are mini palettes, the mini eyeshadow palettes by Juvia's Place. And just like the colors that you see are so cute and so pretty. So far, we have different products. This is another set. In this one, we're going to be getting 2 products, and the brand reveal is Boscia. This one is, we're going to be getting 2 different serums from this brand. One serum is vitamin C with caviar lime booster serum, and that one is going to help with reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, and it's going to work effectively to brighten your skin. The second serum is vitamin B12 hydration booster serum, and this one has perfectly pink vitamin B12, and it's infused with moisture rich oils, and it's going to help smooth, revitalize the look of skin, and improves tone and texture. So this is the 5th product that we have so far, and this one is also going to be a set, and as you see, the price for each of these serums are $46 each. So now we have the final box, everything is revealed, and now we have the information for volume 3. The cost of this box for this volume is going to be $42. Remember, these are new launch items. Most of them are new launch in this box. These are all the ones that are going to be included. Is 5 different brands, and the box will be available on February 12th at 10 a.m. PST. That's going to be online. So what you're going to do is exactly what I mentioned at the beginning. Just make sure you have signed up, you have put your email, that way you get the early access. So then around this time on February 12th, around 10 o'clock in the morning, maybe a little bit before, but just be ready around that time. You should be able to get an email giving you a passcode or a promo code, and then you could just log in to Trendmood Box using that code that's giving you early access, so that way you can purchase the box if you're interested early on, so you don't miss out, because they do run out pretty quickly, and that's why I'm doing this video very early on, as soon as I can, so you guys have this information. So this is all for volume 3 for Trendmood Box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying the spoilers, and I hope this was very helpful to you, so that way you can make a decision if this is a box you're in the lookout for and you really would like to purchase. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, bye.